guys are ready to get started.
Okay, cool.
Ready to get started?
Yeah, seconds. Body. Now we're gonna do more. Yes. Good job, man. Good job. Good job.
Your white outfit.
Little belly, I see the belly.
Good job, guys. Y'all look amazing.
Good job, guys. Let's go. How you feel? How you feel? Why don't they do it, bro? I see y'all get warmed up out there. Crying.
Bars. Okay, bars. What is that?
Come back.
Oh, wow.
It is called your code.
So we get
Yeah, they said.
So this is the vibe.
You look good.
Very nice.
Ooh, look at your shoe. Oh my God, you look good. Hey. You look nice. I like your shoe.
Perfect. Exactly. Attitude.
Let's go.
One, two, three, let's go. Ha. Nowadays I don't care what people say about me. All I know is my story. All I know is my story. I was born to be authentic and to please everyone. The person take for granted could be the very person you need. Life has a funny way. Be careful how you treat those around you. A little kindness and respect. Too young to be rushing things, but too old to be wasting time. I may say life is a dicey. You never know what comes next. We can't force people to choose us. But there is also part of good luck. I always pray to God. They always want to see you crying.
Bars. Okay, bars.
What is that?
Come back.
Oh, wow.
It is called your code.
So we get inches.
What better way to do it than to be a headliner? That's Big G.
One more time. We're ready for you on stage, actually, if you guys are ready to get started.
Okay, cool.
Ready to get started?
So put them in their sections to go back on stage.